Okay, so this will be naming, just kidding, naming compounds. This is specifically going to be formulas to names. So the first step that you need to take, well, obviously you have your periodic table out, but the first step you really need to take is you need to determine, is your compound ionic or covalent? So ionic, refresher, is going to be metal and non-metal. Or positive and negative charge. And covalent is going to be non-metal with another non-metal. All right. Go to the next slide. So again, you need to see, is it ionic or is it covalent? If it's ionic, those you'll have to look at and see if it's got a polyatomic or transition metal. If it's covalent, you are going to all right. So if it's ionic, there's some more things you need to determine. Do you have polyatomic? Because that will require specific rules. Polyatomic, poly means more than one. So polyatomic are things that are you're gonna have 3 or more elements in the compound. So KNO3, you have 1, 2, 3 elements. That's polyatomic. K2SO4, you have 1, 2, 3 elements. All right, in ACl, you have 1, 2 elements. That is not polyatomic. All right, so polyatomic will have specific their own naming rules. So we'll get to that in a little bit. The other option for ionic is, do you have a transition metal? Because those require Roman numerals. And then, of course, obviously, you could have just a binary, regular ionic compound. And if that is the case, you'll just have you'll have 2 elements. One, just a regular metal, not a transition metal, say like sodium. And then one, just a regular non-metal, like chlorine. So this would just be what I would call regular or simple ionic. All right. So again, you need to covalent. Just use regular covalent naming rules. All right, and I'll detail that more in another slide.